Good morning guys, share ko lang yung pagiging spinner tech namin dito sa Artus 101. Ito nga pala yung ilan sa mga style o technique na ginagawa namin para sa mga wedding programs. Tulad ng pagpasok ng music at background music na gagamitin. So madali lang to guys, napaka basic. At syempre simulan na natin at wag na natin itong patagalin. At sana may matutunan kayo.
Okay, start na daw. Intro music ako. Intro music ako. Okay, we all start tapos intro music.
Siyempre, focus na tayo sa program dahil mag-umpisa na.
Alright, so again, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the wedding reception of Aaron and Nika! Alright, good evening again, everyone, and welcome to the wedding reception of Aaron and Nika! Make some noise!
Sa part na to, biglang nagsigawan yung mga tao. Nagulat ako at nagpalakpakan at nagkagulo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Yung pala, may lumabas na gwapo. At yung host nga pala natin ngayon ay si Mr. Edroy Lim, isa sa professional host ng wedding industry.
There's a couple of things that I want us all to do. And first of those things is for us to get to know kung sino ang mga nino at saka nino.
Sa part na to, dapat naka-ready na yung music mo for the sponsors and parents. Malimit naman ginagamit dito yung mga instrumental.
Habang tumatayo po ang mga principal sponsors natin, let's give them a loud round of applause. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Introducing our first pair of principal sponsors. Pagbago natin si Miss Maria Concepcion de Claro and Mr. Napoleon Somos Santos. And up next, I'm about to introduce to everyone probably ang pinakamasayang sets of parents in the world today. After all,
and same music din sa parents, background music lang. Then pag tinawag yung name nila, bagsak natin sa chorus ng Viva La Vida.
Starting off first with the parents of Nika. Pagbago natin at this time, of course, si Tito Fidel Manito. For the parents of our group, for Tito Bobby and Tita Laret Mantil.
At sa part naman na to, nakaabang na yung music natin para sa entourage. Yung left and right nga pala ng virtual DJ ko, 15 and 16 ng Midas.
But now, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for all of us to meet the members of the entourage. I got the spirit inside my bones. It goes electric, baby, baby, turn me on. All through my spirit, all through my heart. The flying up, no ceiling when we in my zone. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, that's all we do. Welcome the ladies of our entourage. We have Andrea, Princess, Pat, Aya, Louise, Nancy, Jana, and Luca. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Rock! And of course, behind them, pinakagwapong entourage, dito sa Paligalingaw, we have Fonzie, Franco, EJ, Hal, Derek, and Lance. Ladies and gentlemen, Team Drew!
So minsan may video pa to bago mag grand entrance yung couple. So ngayon wala, kaya nakaabang na tayo sa grand entrance.
So one more time please, pagpapapun natin ang entourage natin.
Ang style ko naman bago mag grand entrance, meron akong pang-hype na Sky Full of Stars na instrumental.
For all of us, you can go ahead, let's all please stand up. At habang tumatayo po tayo, please make sure also to bring up those phones. Make sure also that all of your cameras are ready. Because ladies and gentlemen, we all know what's about to happen. I know that we're all excited also. So please, join me in welcoming our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Aaron and Nika Lantin! Reception, and let's have Aaron and Nika kiss. Can you all tap our glasses all at the same time. Come on, guys. And this. One time, round of applause, please, for Aaron and Nika.
After grand entrance, diretso na sa parents dance.
I would like to ask for Aaron to go ahead and go to your mom and bring her to the dance floor.
Tapos dapat may queuing ka ng intro at bago pumasok yung kanta.
We'll be honoring you with a dance this evening.
Para habang naglalakad, naka-intro na yung music mo. Tapos habang naglalakad at pagdating sa gitna, i-cue mo naman dun sa may boses. Minsan nga inuulit-ulit ko pa yung intro hanggang sa matimingan mo talaga yung pagdating sa gitna, sakto papasok yung kanta. Tapos pagdating naman sa part na to, yun pa rin yung music ko, tinatanggal ko lang yung vocals para medyo solid pa din yung music. Same din sa father and daughter dance, intro habang naglalakad, then pagpunta sa gitna. Siyempre after nito, dapat nakaready na yung first dance mo.
For Mr. and Mrs. Lampin as they have their first dance. So ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for Aaron and Nika. But, of course, in every wedding, we have our cake-cutting ceremony as they start their life as a
Mic
married
number
couple.
3 daw, ma'am.
Pabukas na lang po.
Pabukas na lang.
There's one thing I really appreciate about Aaron and Nika.
Okay na?
So go ahead, Nika, and give that cake to your husband. Round of applause, please, for Aaron and Nika. Now, to lead us in our prayer, I would like to request for Princess to join us together with Maid Villapando to lead us in our prayer for this evening. Amen and amen.
At syempre pagkatapos ay diretso na nga sa banda.
And to come with great dinner also comes with great entertainment.
So yun, hanggang dito na lang tayo at salamat sa panonood. Sana na-enjoy nyo ang video ito.